Greetings. Today's topic is: would 10 million exhibitors to Jamaica build 5 north-south highways every year? These are the subjects for today's discussion. Number 1, the number of infrastructure programs that can be completed annually. And 2, Jamaica has a south coast as well, Mr. Minister. 3, over $1 billion for each parish in Jamaica. And 4, the return of Jamaica's good, cheap holiday. Now, the income from 10 million new visitors to Jamaica could build the equivalent of 5 new north-south highways every year. With 10 million new visitors, Jamaica would earn an extra US $10 billion each year, with over 40% or US $4 billion remaining in Jamaica. The government has unfortunately been announcing some of the same 20,000 hotel rooms to be built in Jamaica for the past 5 years, it would appear. An article in Hotel Management on the 15th of June 2017 mentioned the 20,000 hotel rooms. The Minister of Tourism was referred to as saying 20,000 hotel rooms were to be completed in the next 5 to 10 years. The minister was also quoted as saying, "So far, I think we are on par for 15,000 of those." Again, an article by the JIS News on the 23rd of April 2021 referred to the minister as saying 7,000 hotel rooms to be completed in 2 years. Among the hotels to be completed in 2 years were the Princess Resort in Hanover, a Spanish developer to construct 1,000 rooms in St. Anne's, and Sandals with 950 rooms in St. Anne's also. Other hotels to be completed were the H10 in Trelawney, the Wyndham and the Rock Hotels, both in Kingston, and the Sandals in Negril. Edmund Bartlett was speaking at the sectoral debate on the 20th of April 2021. Most of these hotels are now completed. However, at the end of 2023, the minister was still announcing 20,000 hotel rooms to be built, as he said at the sectoral debate on the 18th of April 2023. Ironically, visitor numbers are below 2017 or 2019 figures. It seems that the minister has a lot to explain as to why all these hotels are being completed and visitor numbers are still down. Some of these new hotels seems to be refurbished hotels, like the Sandals in St. Anne's, rather than brand new hotels. The government should announce 20,000 new hotel rooms to be built every year for 5 years, totaling 100,000 new hotel rooms for Jamaica. The tourism minister mentioned spreading the 20,000 hotel rooms across Jamaica, but only name the parishes on the north coast, completely neglecting the south coast. The average spend for each visitor to Jamaica is just over US $1,000. With currently over 4 million visitors to the island, the average annual earnings from tourism in Jamaica is a minute US $4 billion. Increasing visitors by another 10 million each year could raise the annual earnings by over 250%. At this point, Jamaica would be earning as many billions of US dollars from tourism as there are parishes on the island. This will not just achieve a better standard of living for all Jamaicans, but would also foster national pride. Just think about it. If the government should initiate this program, it would be like having tourists playing a Santa Claus role in Jamaica, going around stuffing US $1 billion in every parish. More visitors to the island would mean more hotels to be built, more attractions to be developed, and best of all, more jobs for everyone from all walks of life in every crevice and corner of Jamaica. To achieve this, however, Jamaica must shift focus from the spending power of each visitor to the quantity of visitors the island can accommodate. The tourism minister suggested that anyone could make money from tourism, even people racing 2 crabs. So what about those on the south coast, Mr. Minister? Will they have to travel to the north coast to race their crabs? I guess he never thought about that. Or maybe he just wasn't being genuine. Either way, this channel will open the eyes of many Jamaicans, home and abroad. True democracy lies in the power of the people, and together we can change Jamaica. So before we conclude this presentation, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon as well so you never miss an update. Let's have a bit of democracy right now. Now that you have subscribed, let's continue. It is an established fact that the average spending power of each visitor to the island has been increasing. We should not be deceived by these statistics, however, because an increase in the spending power of visitors will not significantly impact the economy. Without a substantial increase in the number of visitors, despite the increase in spending power, Jamaica is currently accommodating 5% fewer tourists than 5 years ago. The decline in visitor numbers can be attributed to an apparent drive for high-end tourism that is currently being promoted by the Jamaican government, as seen in St. Mary. Other Caribbean countries such as Barbados, the Bahamas, and Dominican Republic have copied Jamaica model and are doing quite well, while Jamaica, the pioneer of the Caribbean, is losing market shares to other countries by moving away from its original model. As a result, tourism are now seeking a good Jamaican vibe in the Dominican Republic or Barbados, simply because Jamaica has chosen not to be itself anymore. This has been part 9 of my current theme. Look out for part 10. Thanks for watching this video. Please show your support on this channel by subscribing and sharing this video. I would also like to know what you think and how we can work together to achieve our ultimate goal. So leave your comments below. God bless you. God bless the Jamaican Parliament. And God bless Jamaica. Until my next video, peace. See the other topics for this theme on my YouTube channel.